This is messed up, dude. I slammed this truck pretty damn hard back there. You didn't hear that?
Oh, I was hearing my own.
Oh crap, right in the washout I went sideways and just slammed the bastard right into that hill. Yeah, it might have been smart to bring both trucks. A little bit of a hard hit there. The bumper took some. Tire and rim got it pretty good here. Damn. That was a heck of a thunk. You've been fishing what, 3 minutes now? You haven't caught anything? You're losing your touch, eh? Back. Very disappointed, man. Figured you'd have a bucket full by now. What the heck is going on across the lake there? Yeah, eh? There's a decent sized jack for this lake. Maybe 14 inches. There it goes. Gotta spit it. Well, it requires extraction. And he's not happy about all the mosquitoes, like me. Bye, friend. Hopefully you end up on my line next. Second catch of the day. Tiny little pike. Oh, there he goes. So we show up to the shelter after doing some fishing. And somebody stole the shelter. It's gone. It took us like three of us, like 4 hours to build this thing. Some jerks came along, had a fire, probably burnt all that wood.
Hey, well, we still at least have our very, very awesome fire pit.
We have the very, very awesome fire pit, we do.
Just gotta do some pruning here.
Yeah. Oh, that sucks. Oh well. Yeah, no kidding here. Picked up some firewood. And it looks like they've already started on it. Like I paid what, 11 bucks or 10.99 a bag for this? This stuff comes pre-charred. Unreal. Never seen that before. Maybe it's just speed seasoning or something. Time to sit by the fire and relax. Some peace and quiet. Got some fireworks.
Nice.
Back home.
A little bit of egg witches. Oh, fuck, the pack's very tight.
Bacon and egg deluxe. I know, eh?
Or you try to ride the middle all the way up.
Too dangerous, man.
Dude, that angle is like dangerous.
Well, it just comes straight up here, up and over.
I guess, yeah, like really, really far hard, right?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Look down in there, though.
I know, it's like a fucking... Yeah.
There's plumbing. Weird.
Yeah. So hard, right?
Okay, I'll hide over here. Shit.
It's eerie.
Need more momentum. Oh yeah, like nothing.
Uncle Ken coming up the hill. Good thing he's got those trail hog fucking mud tires on.